Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Again, I'm showing you a relatively long clip taken from 63 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. You will see the many markets that I cover being introduced by me early on. And we have two things fairly urgent this week. We have what I think some dramatic situation developing in the currency market. And we have the stock market in the US and in several other markets, also in Europe, walking on a knife edge. Absolutely. Very tricky situation. And I cover a lot of stock markets in my long video and also with the clip that I share with you. If you like further information about my service, don't hesitate to get in touch with me, or you can have access to the long video just by giving a try to my service, taking a trial for 1 week, for which you can pay with PayPal, Moneybooker, Skrill, or Payza. It used to be AlertPay. If you have any question, again, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'm here to help, to answer your questions. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I have many very interesting charts in this video, and here's the list that I prepared. I've got the Euro US dollar currency pair, the US dollar Swiss franc, US dollar Danish kroner, British pound, US dollar, Japanese yen, euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen, gold, silver, light crude, Brent crude, TYX, TLT. Then stock markets, a whole range of stock markets. I've got here the Dow, the S&P 500, the Russell 2000, the Nasdaq Composite, the S&P Mid Cap 400, the Greek Composite Index, the RTS of Russia, EWPractitioner of Brazil, the Canadian Composite Index, and I'll terminate the video with a look at Apple Incorporated. The idea of prolongation of the triangle is echoed also here, because Brazil, that's the Ibovespa of Brazil, that's the stock index futures continuous contract. We have taken the bottom here as an A, 2008, and ever since we have seen basically market unable to run above this level, unlike in the US. So we have interpreted it as an A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so far so good. Came down. Okay, that could be taken as 1, that could be taken as an ABC, great, that will be 2, but we need now further slide. It hit an important overhead resistance here, as you can see. It hit the line coming down, got stopped right here in the confluence of these two lines. And my alternative here shows you what will happen in case it shoots above the 55,000. In case it shoots above this level, I think that my B idea would have to be modified, and we will go into an A. That'll be our B, going up in a C, D, E, etc. It will basically be exactly what the Russian market says is an option you have to consider. Okay, so that's the Ibovespa of Brazil. Canadian market. Sorry. Canadian market, that's the monthly going back ages to 1980. I do not have very high confidence wave count for you in the Canadian market. That's the composite index of TSX. But there is a distinct possibility here that we are nearing a top, and that could generate a massive collapse. As you can see, the interpretation A, B calling for a C down. It is coming very close. It's coming very close to the level. So if it shoots by a lot here, it shoots above these levels significantly. Drop my ABC. It's unlikely. And then a whole series of options open up here. It is possible it'll go into a massive rally like that. You see, taking that as a huge triangle, almost even a running up triangle, the market will just run up. That will have very positive implications for gold and silver, which currently I don't see as preparing for huge bull. So the options at this point in time, I think I would favor seeing it going down. Let's have a look at the weekly. We had a clear cut of 5 legs down here in 2009. 2008, 2009, that favors it not going above this level, okay? And I can also work a scenario of that being an A, that's B, and we have 5 legs up, C, that try to correspond to the A that you see here. Okay, we can't take all of this as one move because of the subdivision C. Just don't allow that. Don't allow that because the fifth leg is bigger than the third, and the one is bigger than the third, so it's just not possible. There must have been here an ABC. Do you see? So that prompts me to think that I have here a triangle in the middle here, and as you can imagine, there is another possibility here, and that is as follows. That's an ABC, that's an X, that's an X, that's an ABC, and that's complete. That's a B composed of ABC, X, ABC. Let's have a look at the daily. And here's a possible wave count that says we may have seen the top in this index. We have a run up of a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4th wave, 5 ending here. Market's beginning to look down. Look at the 60 minutes. This is not high confidence, but if you're interested in the Canadian market, I'm sure that is an idea you would like to investigate further. Here's the 60 minutes of the composite index. We have a 1, 2, we have a 3. Are we in a 4th wave? If so, it shouldn't run back up to 14,600. Okay, shouldn't do that. Just continue to meander around here, continue to look down. That would look like the right thing at the right place as far as the birds are concerned.